So you may wonder why you need dirty tricks and why you might want to resort to dirty fighting or dirty boxing. And here's why. People are mean. People are violent. They travel in packs. They usually pack weapons, and they'll do terrible things to you or your family, potentially. So these little dirty tricks can be the difference between surviving or not surviving. So for example, if Hayden gives me a jab and a cross, notice how I'm going to take the eyes twice and kick the groin. From here, you can headbutt a knee, sometimes foot sweep. And once he's off balance, that's the best time to hit him. So you may be wondering, what's dirty about what I just did? Well, if you notice, I attacked the eyes twice. I kicked the groin. I utilized the headbutt. I kneed the groin again. I did a foot sweep. Now, those techniques are not legal, obviously, in the boxing ring, but they work.